Hi everyone, this is Bruce Parker from MarineMax in Lindenhurst, New York. I'm on board today in our used 24 Sea Ray Sundancer. I'm inside the cabin right now. There's a single burner range. You have the wet sink. There is a stereo. You have a V-berth here in the front where I'm sitting now. That converts over to a double sleeper. And as you move to the back, you'll see there's also plenty of storage under the galley. There's storage under all the V-berth seats. And then in the back, there's another double berth back here for 2 more people. So the boat will comfortably sleep 4 people. Nice long weekend out on the water with family. There is a head, the pump out head, potty, and you have the sink there. And there is a shower head on it, so you can rinse off. We're going to go out to the back now, to the cockpit, walk through the cabin here, come outside. You'll see there's got the nice porch side seating, enough room here for 2 or 3 adults comfortably. And to the back, a nice stern seat. There is a full camper canvas enclosure on this boat, and it's in decent shape. You do have a single Helm seat here with a pop-up bolster if you want to sit up a little higher. On the dash there is a VHF radio, Sony stereo. We do have a Garmin chart plotter on the boat. The boat does have a windlass on the boat also. So it's nice when you pull up to an anchorage in a nice cove with friends. Just hit the switch and let the anchor run down. The boat is equipped with a 5-liter V8 and a Bravo 3 drive. So come on down here to Lindenhurst and check out this really nice and very popular 24 Sea Ray Sundancer. See you down here.